Hi, this is our dear friend and herbalist Valerie. You are watching Amiens House, and welcome to our rooted workshop where we learn how to harvest the echinacea root and make it into medicine. As with all of Valerie's workshops, we started with meeting the plant as we sipped on a decoction of the plant root. We dove into our senses and tried to connect with the plant as Valerie shared her knowledge of the benefits of echinacea. Then it was time to move around, so we headed into the herb garden where Valerie introduced us to the physical plant. This particular type of echinacea is purpurea. We tasted the leaf, the flower, and eventually the root, as all good herbalists do. Before we started getting dirty, Valerie offered a prayer of gratitude for the plant, and then we all got right in there and started digging. In no time, we had all the plants dug up. Once we had them all dug up, we separated them into roots to be washed and crowns that could be replanted. We were looking for the larger roots and cutting off the little hairs like roots. After separating, we gave them a good scrub in the bucket and a last good clean rinse at the table. Once clean, it was time to chop. Knives, scissors, secateurs, whatever worked, so we could get in there and chop them as fine as we possibly could. Now we are ready to make our tinctures. Valerie measured out the root amounts that we needed to add it to our mason jars. We had pint jars, so we had to split the amount between 2 jars. Then Valerie measured out the 95% alcohol and water mixture, and we poured it over our roots. When making your own tinctures for the first time, please consult a herbalist near you. We will now shake this mixture every day for 30 days. Then we'll strain it out and it'll be ready to support our bodies all winter. And I was able to replant my echinacea garden so it looks like this. Thank you for joining our workshop today, and we hope you take some time to simply breathe.